Step 1. Connect board 2 and board 1 with screw A, and insert the wooden dowel B into the board 1. Note: insert the screw through the large hole, screwed in vertically to avoid damaging the board. Step 2. Install board 3. Note: bottom dowels face the same way, top holes face opposite ways. Insert wooden dowels. Step 3. Install 2 PCS side leg. Connect board 4 and board 5 with screw A. Step 4. Attach side leg, aligning board groove with dowel. Step 5. Attach stickers D on the top and anti-skid pads C to the bottom. Attach phone holder, pen holder, plastic clear drawer.